Hello guys, hope you're all doing well. So I'm starting a new series on front-end web development for beginners. So if you are thinking of building websites and don't know where to start, this series is made for you. I will try to give most of the knowledge I have on front-end to you guys. So without any further, let's start the series. So for building a website, you don't really need any programming experience. All you need is some set of tools which help you in your development and some basic knowledge. So before going right into the programming a website, I want to give you a small info about the tools we're going to use in this series. And we are going to create a blog-like website by the end of the series. So so this is actually not a part one. So it's more like an introduction video. So coming to the tools, we use two tools basically. One is VS Code and another one is any browser. So it can be Firefox, Chrome, Brave, Microsoft Edge, anything, any browser. And the code editor we are going to use is called Visual Studio Code. So if you go to Google and search for VS Code, it will open this. And you can download it for Windows and Linux, Mac OS. So after installing VS Code, if you open VS Code, it will look something like this. It will actually show you some guides here, walkthroughs, and you can read them and try them out. It will show actually some settings and stuff you can do in VS Code. And this is actually theme I'm using. If you actually open it, it will look something like this, or in white. I mean light theme. So I'm actually using a theme called Dracula. Yes, Dracula. I like Dracula theme. Dracula. So this is a theme. So it's an option for if you guys want to install it, you can install it or no. So if you go to this extensions menu or extensions tab, you have to search for live server. And if you go into this is the extension we are going to use in this series. Well, what this extension basically does is it will open your page, your HTML file in the browser, and every time you update the code, you don't really need to reload your page every time you update the code. It will do it automatically. We will see that later in this series. We will see that. So that's it. These are tools we are going to use in this series, and you can actually install IntelliCode taking some time to load npm, but will actually show you if you type HTML. I think yeah this thing. So HTML CSS support, install this, because what it basically do is whenever you're typing something on your file, it will give you some suggestions. Like if I go to file and create a demo file, rename select the language HTML. So if I go here and if I do something like head, it will show me these suggestions, header. If I click on this, it will auto complete this. So this is the use of this IntelliSense extension. So what it basically do is it will help you giving suggestions and make the development faster. So this is it for the introduction video. The tools we are going to use, the code editor we are going to use, and in the next video we are going to actually start the development. So I forgot to say something again. So it's basically your VS Code setup for HTML, CSS and JS, basically front-end web development. So there is only one setting you have to change for making you make your development even more faster. So what that setting is, autosave. This autosave works with your live server extension this one. So what it does is it will save your file automatically, so you don't need to save every time you edit a small amount of file, so small content of file. So you write it, it will save automatically, VS Code will save automatically, and it will reflect on your browser directly. So every time you click on your keyboard, it will reflect the changes in your Chrome or any browser without any delay. Yeah, this was, yeah. So that's it for this video, and we are going to start programming in the next video. And thanks for watching, everyone. If you want to continue this series, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.